right, hi, James with the 1HourSmartHome.com today, and we're going to talk about what streaming device you should get for your 4K TV or even your HD TV. So there's a lot of different streaming devices out there. There's Google Chrome, there's Amazon Alexa Fire Stick, there is the Fire TV Cube, and there is the Roku devices as well as Apple TV. So my personal favorite device for streaming on a TV in 2018 and going into 2019 is the Amazon Fire TV Cube, or the Echo Fire TV Cube. Why? The reason is that it has HDMI outputs, which is going to give you that 4K picture quality. It has 4K picture output, but it has Amazon Alexa built in. So you're going to be able to control your TV with Amazon Alexa commands. Say things like, Alexa, turn on the TV. Alexa, turn off the TV. Alexa, turn up the volume, which is huge. And how it achieves that is it has an IR blaster. That means that it can work with your existing TV that has infrared control, which is pretty much every TV on the market, as well as it will work with other items that you have connected to IR, because it's taking those signals and working with them. So you're gonna get the 4K, you're gonna get everything else that you get with a normal Fire TV stick. But what you get included with the Fire TV Cube is the 4K, as well as Amazon Alexa control built in with the Cube, and IR blasting, which allows you to control the TV remotely, just like you had a remote control, but with your voice. So that's what I think for 2018 and 2019. What is the best streaming device for your TV? The Amazon Fire TV Cube. Learn more at 1HourSmartHome.com, and thank you very much for being here. But one more thing. If you have an Amazon Echo device or an Amazon Alexa Fire TV Cube, you can also use that to control your smart lighting with our smart lights. So these are light switches that you hardwire into your home. Or if you just want to plug in device and plug it into a lamp that you've already got, you can use our plugs that work with Amazon Alexa as well as Google Home. So any Echo device is compatible, any Google Home device is compatible, and we are happy to bring you smart home technology that works. Thank you.